Okay, now that we've watched a few tutorials and we feel like we know what we're doing, let's get started making a project. This project is a game called Star Hunter, so we're going to go and hit the Create button. It'll take a minute while it loads. And it gives me a screen like this, just like in the tutorial. I have a cat just like in the tutorial. Now, the cat is what they call a sprite. Okay, so the first thing I want to do with my sprite is I don't want him to be called Sprite. That's really generic. So I'm going to name my cat Cat, which is much less generic. You could name your cat Ni-Hao or Cuddle Wumpus or whatever you want to name your sprite. I'm going to call mine Cat. So you write its name right here, and forever after it will now be called Cat. All right, the next thing we need to do is we need to write some code to make this cat move, because if your characters in your game don't move, you've got serious problems. All right, so we want to be able to move this cat using our mouse pointer. So we're going to go over into our motion blocks because we're talking about movement, so we need a motion block, and we're going to hit, we're going to find a motion block that says go to, and we want, instead of putting it in a random position, we want it to follow the mouse pointer. So we're going to click that drop down box and choose mouse pointer. So now whatever we do, our little cat will follow our mouse wherever it goes. Isn't that cool? That's pretty awesome. Okay, and we want that to do that throughout the whole game. We don't want it to just stop. So what we're going to do is we're going to be able to control it. We're going to pick a forever block. So now forever, this mouse will be able to follow our mouse, our cat. The cat will follow the mouse. Huh, that makes more sense. Why would a mouse be following a cat? All right, next we want to know how to start the game. We're going to put this event that when clicked, as soon as we click, that's when we're going to tell our cat to follow our mouse. So if I click this guy, the mouse now will follow the cat, or the cat will follow the mouse until I hit stop. Okay, now we've got a little bit of code right there, and you can watch what happens. Isn't this an exciting game? I hope you liked my game. It's awesome. Talk to you later when we get to the next step.